that is the correct response.
Did I again? Look at his armpits like it's bleeding.
Bleeding mud.
Yes, Dad.
His butt cracks all showing.
What?
How you feel?
Nothing?
Nothing? You feel nothing?
Yeah.
No? You're not cold? So your lips aren't going all blah, blah, blah.
Dirt all over me now.
Did it again.
Benjamin. You have such a... No, you're going to break the bucket. Stop. You guys already got a hole in it. Are you stuck, really? No? Then stand up. I want to see. Zachary. Zachary. I love you. Zachary. Zachary. I love you. What are you supposed to say back? Jacob. Are you guys drowning a snail?
Throw it out in the road.
No, don't throw it out in the road.
Well, they don't like to swim.
There you go.
Just a snail. Call it in.